Hey there, Chris here, and I wanted to show you how you can create a free professional banner that you've created by using these two programs. So before we go ahead and create the banner, let's go ahead and grab a photo that we like. So go ahead to this website right here, which is called unsplash.com. I'll provide that in the description of this video. I can find a photo that I choose to create for a banner, whether it's going to be for a blog post or an ad for Facebook, Instagram, whatever you're going to be using the ad or the banner for. Let me show you how you can grab a picture. Right over here it says free, do whatever you want, high resolution photos. So I can either view the category from top to bottom, yeah, or I can go ahead and view it by tile so I can see more than one picture. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here to the search box right over here and I'm gonna type in free. Okay, and I'm gonna scroll down and I want this picture right here. Okay, and whenever I happen to use a picture, I wanna let you know that you wanna go ahead and give credit to the artist who had created the artwork that you can go ahead and use. Okay, so let me find something else instead. Um, so let me see. Oh, okay, let me use this one right here. I like this picture right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a like. And as you see right here, then I'm gonna go to download. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the photo. So with my mouse, I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna say save image to desktop. Okay, but just because I saved the image to the desktop, I'm gonna change the file name. Okay, so it makes it easier for me to locate the file when I go ahead and upload it. So I have the file right here, and I'm gonna change it to Spark. Okay, return. And as you can see, it's a JPEG file. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this window. Okay, so this is the program right here that we're gonna go ahead and create a banner, a poster. You're gonna create an account here, a login and password. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, so here I am logged in. Okay, so when you come into here, this is what the layout is gonna look like. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this plus sign right over here, and I'm gonna show you that you have various layouts that you can choose from. Okay, and the dimensions are set to what platform you want it for. So for like social media posts, there's Twitter, there's Pinterest, Facebook. So everything's all laid out for you on the dimensions. You don't have to worry about what size it has to be. Everything's all set up for you. See, you got ebook, you got blog title, all the sites. I mean, all the dimensions are set for you, so you don't have to worry about what size it needs to be. Okay, and then to the left, right over here, you're gonna create a design. So when you click on create a design, it's gonna come to this layout right over here. If you have any designs that you've already created, I just started this account, so I won't have anything. Okay, it's blank. So any photos or any banners that somebody is gonna share with you, it'll be in here. Create a team. It's a new feature that they just created. So say for instance you have a business and you have artwork that you want to share with your team as ideas. You can do that too. I can change the background theme of the banner in the top. Yeah, and change it to whatever I want, and then click on. So that's what the theme's going to be for the background. Everything else you're going to have to upgrade. Right here, you're going to have to pay for what it is that you want. Right here, as you can see, there's a padlock there. There's a padlock down here. You need to pay for what it is that you want. To establish a Canva account, it's free. To use some of their stuff is free as well. But if you want to make it personalized, then you're going to have to upgrade um, your account. So that means that you're going to have to put in a fee. Right over here is upgrade. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and create a Pinterest graphic. Okay, so right over here, this is your canvas area. This is your design area. Okay, and up on the top, you want to go ahead and give your artwork a title. You can share your artwork, download your artwork, make it public or private. Um, right over here is your account settings, your personal settings. If you're searching for a design or you're searching for image, you would type it in here. Layouts, they have various layouts over here to choose from on how you want to design your artwork. Let me go ahead and give you a few points on the layouts. Some of the layouts you're going to have to pay for, and some layouts you don't have to pay for. They're free. So as you can see from the very top, right, you can see that it has I. So I stands for info. Show more info about this. So I click on the I and it tells me information about this layout right here. They're free for this design right here. Some of the other ones I would have to pay. Keywords. Okay. So some of these layouts, as you can see, some of them are going to be paid and some of them are free. For me in particular, I love the free version, so I just go down and look for the free stuff, and like this one right here. So I'm going to use this one, which is free, and I can change it out to whatever I want. I'm going to go ahead and change out the information here. So I click on my canvas, I highlight what I don't want, I click away off the canvas, and the text disappeared. I just draw a box like that. I hold on the shift key and I can move the directional arrow and I can put it to wherever I want. I'm the artist, so I can design the way I want things to be. I can either have this or I can get rid of it. So I'm going to get rid of it. Click on the purple area. It's purple right over here. I can change it to red. See, the background is red. I can change it to green. I click onto here where the circle is at. If I want that to be yellow, I change it to yellow. I want the quotation marks to stand out, so I'll go ahead and put it as to gray. Okay. Over here, and I want it to go. Say for instance, I want it gray, or if I want it black. Okay. So basically, you're not limited. You're free to do whatever you choose. Okay. So I'm going to go to, on this side, because I just explained to you about layouts, right? So I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to go ahead and find what I want. So I want to go to shapes, or I should go to icons. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go to icons, and there's a light bulb that I like. Okay. I like that. And because it's a light bulb, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to change the transparency. I can screen it back. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? And then I'm going to go to where it says text. I'm going to create my own text, my own information. So I can go here and I can add in a headline. So let's see, for instance, that I want to move it up there. I'm going to go ahead and change the size of the writing. So I'm going to go to 88. I'm going to drag this anchor point out. I'm going to drag this anchor point right over here, and I'm going to drag it to the right. Now click on the text area box, highlight it, and I'm going to say, oh, Okay, so I'm gonna go to the size of the writing, and then I'm gonna go down to 42. I'm gonna change the writing style. And let's see, what can I do? Let's see. Ah, maybe this one. Okay, it's taking a while to change the font, and there it is. So let me see. Okay, and maybe the color doesn't look right. That's what I like. So it says idea starts with you because you typed it in, right? If you want to change it, you can. All you have to do is just go ahead and click in here, type in ideas, type in ideas, or give it whatever name that you want. Okay, so you can use what you see here. You can duplicate the image. So if I scroll down, look at that. It looks exactly the same. I want to make this as a different layout, so I draw a box around here. I delete it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use one of the layouts that is provided over here. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to use this free one. And then I'm going to click inside here. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to change the information. Let me see. Okay. Scroll down. I'm going to get rid of the picture in the background. Okay, I'm going to grab this picture that's on the side. I'm going to drag it over to here. Okay, the one that we got from Unsplash. Okay, as you can see right over here is loading the picture. Okay, pretty soon. Okay, there we go. So now that it's loaded, click on the image. The picture comes on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out so I can fill up the canvas. Let me zoom out. I can either get rid of this or I will. Put the apostrophe. I hold on Option Shift and then close bracket. Save the file as ideas where it says share. So you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, and you can copy the URL link right over here. I highly recommend you get the notepad. Go ahead and copy it. So it'll be Command C is to copy. If you're on the Apple, if you're on a PC, you need to go to Control C. Go to my notepad, I'm going to paste it. If the URL link doesn't work, where it says download image high quality PNG. Okay, so right now it's going to be saving your artwork. And it gives you a quote. Look at that. Do one thing every day that scares you. Eleanor Roosevelt. Okay, right now it's okay. So you can share it on social media right over here. But I'm gonna close it out because we're not using that. Today's tutorial is on Pinterest. Okay. So I downloaded a folder, and the reason is because you've got two files. Go to one, two. Now we're gonna go to Pinterest. Okay. So when I say pin, I'm gonna go to my device. I'm gonna go choose photo, and I'm gonna go to number 1, choose, because we're doing Pinterest. And then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go give it a description so people can find it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go to inspiration. I'm gonna save it. See now, and there it is. Okay, and it's all set up. I mean, the dimensions are there. Okay, and then here's another one that I'm gonna go through one more time. I'm gonna go save pin, and let's go to web. Remember, I copied the URL, so let me go ahead and copy that. And let's see if the thing works. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so I'm gonna go next. And there should be an image over here. Let's see what it looks like. No, it didn't work. See, it says Canva. It's just going to take you to the website. So it didn't work. I'm going to go save pin. And then go to my device. Choose photo. And then number 2. And choose. Okay. And I gotta save on inspiration. And then see now. And it's loading. There it is right there. Pretty simple. Matter of clicks and that's it. I just wanted to thank you for watching, and I hope I provided a lot of value to help you out in how to create banners for social media, whether it's for blog posts, Instagram, gives you an idea on how you can do it. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.